Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please, if today is your first time in this channel, please hit the subscription button right now and press the notification bell to get notified anytime I post a new video. So guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to make this miracle oil for hair growth. First thing we're going to be needing is almond oil. Almond oil softens our hair, strengthens our hair, and also repairs our hair. Almond oil have many other great benefits on our hair. The next is vitamin A capsules. Vitamin A capsules is also good for our hair and for our skin. So the next one is cloves. Cloves is great to eliminate dandruff, prevents premature gray hair. It reduces hair falls, enriches our scalp, and also give shine to dry hair. So we needed this mixing jar. So now we're going to prepare the oil. So first of all, I'm going to open the cloves. And this is the clove. This is what it look like inside. This is also called zobo pepper in Africa. So I'm going to take 1 handful of this clove to put in my mixing jar. So you have to check if it's above the bottom of the mixing jar, because it has to cover the bottom at least. But if you want more than this, you can also add to wherever you want it. But this is how I'm using it. So I'm going to turn my almond oil into it. And make sure pour it in when it covers the cloves. Make sure it covers the cloves. I'm just adding a little bit because I found out it's not up to where the cloves is. So now I'm putting in my vitamin E capsules. If you have the 1000 milligram, you are just going to put just 1 capsule. Then stir it for everything to mix well. So this is what it's looking like, as you can see. So I'm just going to cover the lid and keep it. I'm going to be leaving this for at least 2 hours, then I'll go shake it again. I'll leave it to sit inside the cupboard for 2 hours. After 2 hours, I'll go back to shake it again. So guys, it's been 24 hours already. So here's my spray bottle. I'm going to transfer it into my spray bottle. As you can see, there's a little bit of oil already in it. So this is my oil. I'm going to shake it well and transfer. I'm going to be transferring it with my funnel. So I'm just going to turn it inside, shake it well first. So guys, please don't make the mistake that I made here. I was supposed to turn it gently and just pour everything in it, and the cloves didn't pass through the funnel. If you want to do yours, you just take it little by little and be putting it inside the spray bottle. So now I'm just trying to transfer everything inside with my hands. You have to be careful when you are doing it, because I made a little mess. So I'm just going to pick the ones that fell and put it back into the bottle. So the surface is clean, so I'm not afraid of putting materials in it because the surface is clean. So now I'm going to close. So after closing the lid of this bottle, you have to let it stay for a day or two before you start using it. But me, I prefer leaving it for 2 days for it to really soak inside. So this oil, you can use it in the night before you sleep, and in the morning you wash it out. So guys, thank you for watching this video, and please give this video a thumbs up, and please don't forget to subscribe.